Okay, update on the graphics card. I repasted it, and it still did the driver timeout. So then I did a full DDU. I re-downloaded the drivers, but instead of installing them, I went to Windows Update and let it do it through that, and included an optional update. And I got Wallpaper Engine running, YouTube video running, and if I run the Heaven benchmark with DirectX 11, it starts. But shortly after it starts, let's see if it does it. Black screen. And it becomes not responding. Oh, focus. There we go. And then black screen again. It happens with OpenGL and DirectX 9 as well. So, it's taunting me. It's one step further. No driver timeout pop-up. But I think that's because I don't have the Radeon software actually installed. A couple of people have suggested undervolting it a little bit. I think that's going to be my next step after another DDU. I'm going to DDU, undervolt it, and try the Adrenaline drivers again. See how that goes. But this is one step further.